Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is your boy Jay Bailey here, and I'm back with yet another video. And today I won't be doing a reverse engineering challenge, but wait, hold on, wait, before you click away, don't click away. I want to talk to you all really quickly about my channel, and I want to get some ideas from you all, what you want to see, what you don't want to see, things of that nature. But before I get into that, we got something to celebrate here, everybody. Your boy has reached over 100 subscribers. That's right, I hit the triple digits. I'm excited, I'm really hyped, and I'm humbled actually that you all have really come and support me the way you have. You watch my videos when I drop them, and you have good questions, you make good comments, and it really makes me excited because I made this channel because I wanted a place where people can see, you know, a step-by-step tutorial for learning reverse engineering or just watching reverse engineering. And it seems it's been helpful for some people, and I'm excited about that. And I just want to say thank you again for watching, and please continue to watch and support, because we're only going to go up from here. I promise you that. Alright, so now let's get into business. What I want to ask you all is, I'm trying to cut my videos down a little bit because I know my videos can be pretty long and nobody wants to watch a long video, and I know you definitely don't want to hear me talk for 40 minutes. I know one of my videos for like 40 minutes long. Anybody trying to hear me talk for 40 minutes? So I'm trying to cut it down a little bit. And so one of the things I'm thinking about doing is removing the whole I guess the initial triage, if that's what you want to call it. So that's where I kind of like, I look at the binary, I run file on it, and this is one that we did before. So this is the one that was packed in here. So I think I ran strings on it, and I found out that he was using the I was gonna hold grep for UPX. So we found out he used that, and then I showed you how to unpack it. So I mean, I can skip all of that and just maybe just dive right into the analysis. But I do that to generate these notes here. And the funny thing, I don't think I talked about it being packed on my notes, but I should have, but I didn't. Anyways, but yeah, I mean, I do all of that to sort of to create this little notes.txt file and to kind of help guide where we want to do our analysis. And I mean, if that's something that you all want to continue to see, let me know. But if you don't want to see that and you think it's useless, I can definitely cut it out, because I think I'll cut out at least a good maybe 2-3 minutes of the video. So I make it a little bit shorter, a little more easy to digest. Another thing I'm thinking about doing is I want to maybe get rid of the whole pseudo C thing, because I don't know how useful it is for everybody. I don't know if it's something that you want to see. And so I'm thinking about either just kind of looking at the binary and just going over this is what the super sticky message is, and it's assigning its hex values, and just kind of going through the binary, looking at it in IDA Pro, and doing my analysis from here. And then eventually when we get to the solution, of course, I'll show you how we solve it and all that good stuff. Another thing I'm thinking about is maybe instead of like building it out how I usually do, like I start like a blank canvas and then I build out the pseudo C. Maybe it'd be more beneficial for you all to actually see it just already built, and then I just explain how I got to this point by pointing out the exact code in the disassembly that translates to the C code in here. I can do that as well. I'm not sure which one you prefer, because I know, you know, when I'm doing this typing, when I'm typing regularly now, I'm always like making all kinds of like typos and stuff, and I think I'm good right now because I'm trying not to mess up. But usually, you know, I'll make 1,000 typos and I'll go and I blame you all for me making a typo. Of course, in all good fun, but I mean, it just takes a little bit of time to see me type all of that stuff out. I don't know if that's something you want to see or not. So if it's not, let me know. I can definitely cut it out. But if you want to see me type it out and, you know, go through with you all how I usually do it, I can do that as well. But if you prefer to just see the finished product and see how it all translates to the disassembly, I can do that as well. It's just whatever you want to see, or I could just not have it at all. I don't know. You know, like I said, it's just whatever you guys want to see. Another thing, well, I guess, yeah, that's all in terms of like for the reverse engineering challenges. That's kind of like what I really want feedback on. I really appreciate you all to let me know what you want to see and that type of thing. Another thing, so in terms of more content for the channel, I'm thinking about doing like a buffer overflow type of video. I'm thinking about doing like how the memory is laid out, and when you execute it. I'm also thinking about doing like an intro to a reverse engineering series. Look at that, I'm already messing up. A series like that. So if that's something you want to see, let me know, and I can definitely do that. And let me know actually what you want to see in these type of videos. So like, what points do you want me to hit? What specific things you want to see in those type of videos, and I can touch on those and make sure you all get what you want out of the videos, because I think that'd be useful, and I think it's really fun. I definitely love to do like the buffer overflow type of stuff. It's one of my favorite things to talk about. So I'll love to do a video on that, but let me know exactly what you want to see from that. And I think that's about it. If you have any other ideas, like any other ideas for the channel, like for like anything else you want to see, that it could be reverse engineering related, it could be not, but it has to be at least in the realm of computer security, and we can definitely talk about it on the channel. But yeah, so if there's any other ideas that you all have, please let me know, and I'll definitely incorporate them into my channel. If you aren't comfortable leaving a message on YouTube, like you don't really want to post a comment because that's not really your thing, you can hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on Twitter, you can hit me up on Discord. My username for all those is JAYBailey216, just like the channel. The only exception is that Instagram has an underscore between JBailey and 216, but other than that, it's all JBailey216. And so just let me know. Hit me up wherever that you feel comfortable, so I can get some ideas on where we can go from here. I'm really excited, and thank you all again for watching my videos and for subscribing. It really is like humbling to me, and I'm really excited that you guys come to watch. And that's all I have for today, and I'll be back next week for our regularly scheduled programs. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.